Okay, dear students, today's lecture will be on Module 5, Symmetrical Fault Analysis, PSC Incomes under PSC 2. Here I am going to discuss the topics what and all as per syllabus of VTU. This is first unit. First topic will be on Algorithm for Short Circuit Studies, Z-Bus. Okay, so let us discuss this topic. Just have a look this. Okay, this is the basic as what I am going. Okay, to form this building algorithm, just consider the single line diagram. So in module 1, whatever we have found like graph, tree, coterie and all, what is graph and all. So with the same concept, let us see what actually this building algorithm. See, this is the single line diagram. Here buses they have specified, 3 bus system, 0, 1, 2 I have specified, and these are the components. Okay, so now this single line diagram is transferred to graph. Okay, what is graph here? Graph consisting of these buses are replaced by nodes. Okay, and whatever these components are replaced by lines. Okay, so now how many buses are here? 3 buses. So 3 nodes I am specifying, and 3 elements, whatever the components will be, these components are replaced by line. Okay, so now total how many components? 3 components are replaced by line. So that is nothing but elements. So this is just a graph. For particular graph, if you provide direction, what is direction? Direction nothing but flow of current. Okay, so now I am giving particular direction over here, then it is nothing but oriented graph. Okay, so now here out of this oriented graph, 3 elements are there. 1, 2, 3 elements are there. But main concept here, what I am going to discuss here, out of these 3 elements, how many branches and links you have to find. Okay, that is main thing. As in first unit, randomly we have chosen as per formula, we found branches, how many branches, how many links, and we have given as per numbering, we have given like increasing order 1, 2 as branch, third one will be link, as what we taught in first module. Okay, now but as per building algorithm, exactly it will deals with, so which element acts as a branch, which elements act as a link, that is main thing here. Okay, so now how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 elements are there. E is equals to 3. And what is element? Element nothing but branch plus link. As we know, element nothing but branch plus link. Okay, branch is thick line whereas link is dotted line. Branch is thick line whereas link is dotted line. So therefore, as you know, L is equals to E minus N minus 1. 3 minus 3 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Okay, L is equals to E minus N minus 1. You will be getting number of nodes will be 3, so links will be 1. Out of this elements, if link is 1, what about branch? Obviously 2. 2 branches, 1 link. So now this numbering 1, 2, 3 elements, 2 are branches, 1 is link. Okay, 2 branches means either you may take 1, 3 branch or 2, 3 branch randomly if you are taking, but randomly we can't take here. Now you have to go as per rule what we are following in building algorithm. So as per types of modifications, it will deals with where you have to provide branches and link. Okay, so now before going to that that building algorithm, if you want to form a branch, generally I am discussing, this is oriented graph. If you want to form tree coterie of this, branches from tree, link from coterie. Branch is nothing but thick line, link nothing but dotted line. Okay, see if from this particular whatever diagram they have given, if I draw like this, because as per calculation 2 branches will be there. So now 2 branches I am taking, 1, 2 branches, and remaining third one, this is link. Okay, so now this is nothing but tree here. Tree consisting of nodes, only nodes as well as branches, and coterie consisting of only links. This is nothing but subgraphs you can call. If this link, if you add to this network, then it will form a loop. Okay, so branch form tree and link form coterie. Okay, and if you add to a particular line, then it will be act as a loop it will form. Okay, now the same network, if I draw like this is nothing but what? Oriented graph with tree coterie. So 1, 2 I will be taking branches, and third I am taking here link. This is what generally I am taking. Okay, but as per modification you have to see which is branch, which is link. This is generally we formed as what we have done in module 1. So now as per building algorithm, let us see which will be particular element act as a branch and element act as a link. Okay, so now total 4 modifications will be there. Type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Okay, out of this modification, first type is addition of branch, second type is addition of link. Okay, first type is addition of branch, second type is addition of link. Okay, so type 1, type 2 for branches, and type 3, type 4 for links. So now you see what it indicates here. A main thing before going to this addition of branch, addition of link, see now first type 1. Type 1 what indicates? If you want to add an element, that is nothing but a branch. I told type 1, type 2 is for branch. Okay. So what indicates here? Branch is added between reference and new bus. A branch is added between reference and new bus. It is act as type 1. Reference and new bus, it is act as type 1, that is branch. And type 2, if element is added between old bus and new bus, so that is also branch. Old bus and new bus, that is also branch. So that is also type 2. Type 1, type 2 for branch. Okay, so next, type 3, addition of link. Element is added between old bus and reference bus. That is nothing but link. And see, if I take example, you will come to know. Element is added between old bus and reference bus, that is act as a link. And addition of link, another one, type 4 also addition of link, that is element is added between two old buses, then it is called as a link. If element is added between two old buses, that is called a link. Okay, so here addition of link will be there, 2 they have specified. Let us see with the problem how these things it will be there. Okay, I am taking one problem over here, that is what building algorithm. So now before going to this, as you know, if you are adding a branch as particular that problem, actually individual impedance values you have to find here in building algorithm. And if you want to check the answer what you are getting by building algorithm, you can do by inspection method also. Okay. So before going to that, let us see how to form this, which types it can be applied to this network. Okay, now I will take first element. Now I will take first element. So first element is in between, I am taking an example. First element is in between 0 and 1. I am taking separately because I am adding step by step the elements. So now first element I am adding separately. Now I am taking separate first one, first element. It is building, just like how we will build like home, first ground floor, first floor, separate no, individually. So that will build ground floor, again first floor, it is added to second. So like that. Here also I am taking first element. First element is in between reference and new bus. So reference bus and new bus, which type of modification? Type 1 modification deals with addition of branch. Where it indicates if you are adding a element between reference and new bus, that is act as a branch. So now it is type 1 modification, that is addition of branch. It is thick line. Branch means thick line. Second step, now element 2 I am adding here. Element 2 I am adding. This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2 nodes. Now already 0 and 1 it has been used. This is reference, this is 1, already it has been used. Now 2 is added between 0 and 2. 2 is the element, second element added between reference and new bus. Again this same thing, this is also type 1 modification. This is also type 1 modification. Okay, reference and new bus. This is a branch. Now these two added. Next third one I want to add. Now third one is in between 1 and 2. 1 already it has been used by first element. Now this is old bus and this is old. This is also old bus. 2 also it has been used. Both are old buses. Now this is type 4 modification. Okay, this is type 1. This is actually this is type 1 only. This is type 1. This is type 1 and this is type 4. Okay, this is type 1 actually. Both are type 1 and this is type 4 modification. Now type 3 is missing. Now I can explain this another problem. See, if I add another element to this 0 to 2. Okay, now already this network is over. Already 0 is used, 2 is used, 1 is used. Okay, so now this is act as what here? Type 4. This is fourth element is in between 0 and 2. Fourth element is in between 0 and 2, that is reference and old bus. Already 2 it has been used. Reference bus and old bus, it is a nothing but link. Okay, so which modification here? If a link is added between reference and old bus, that is nothing but what here? Type 3 modification, this one. Okay, you can see this type 3 modification, what it explains here. Type 3 modification, element is added between old bus and reference bus, it is nothing but link. So now I am making this dotted. Okay, you can take another example, just take it here. I am taking this first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You can compare the answer also. Before seeing this, just have a look here. See, first element is in between 0 and 1. It is separately now. 0 is reference, 1 is new bus. That is type 1 modification. Okay, next second element 1 and 3. 1 it has been used already. Now 3 will be new bus. So old bus, new bus, it will be type 2 modification. Next third element. Third element is in between 1 and 2. 1 already it has been used. 1 is old bus and 2 is new bus. So this is also type 2 modification. Now type 4, if you see type 4, it is in between 2 and 3. Already it has been used both old buses. Then it is type 4 modification. Okay. And fifth one, if you see, this 0 is reference and 3 is old bus. Now fifth element is type 3 modification, that is link. Now 4 and 5 is link, remaining all branches. You can check it by formula also. How many elements are here? 5 elements. If you want to check how many links you are getting, L is equals to E minus N minus 1. E is 5, N is 4. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So 5 minus 3 will be 2. So 2 branches remaining links. Okay. So now Okay, so now this is all about building algorithm. So in building algorithm, total 4 modification, type 1, type 2 for branches, type 3, type 4 for link. Okay, so this is just basic, but now using this you have to form the Z bus of individual element. Now total 5 elements will be there, then you'll be getting matrix. Okay, so now you have to form and the answer you can check it by inspection method also. Okay, and see how many elements are there, total how many elements. So total how many nodes are here, total 4. Okay, if you remove reference it will be 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, as what we are doing in inspection method. Okay, so in inspection method first you have to find out the value. So whatever you are getting that element, whatever you are getting the answer by inspection method, that answer is nothing but fifth element. Once you add fifth element, first, second, third, or last you are getting fifth element. After adding fifth element, whatever matrix you are getting, that answer is nothing but inspection method answer. Okay, so now even though it will be lengthy, but if they are giving only like a triangle, particular triangle like these 3 elements, then it will be easy to do. Okay, now this here it will be taking time. Wherever link you will get, and one thing, if you are adding a branch, always row and column gets added. Okay, extra row and column gets added. Whereas if you are adding a link, starting the extra row and column gets added, afterwards that has to be removed. So it means what? A fictitious node will create in link. So therefore for branches, so once if you add a branch, particular element, if you are adding a network, then extra row and column gets added for branches. Okay, so Z bus 1, Z bus 2, 3 like that, total 5 Z buses you have to form. Fifth one will be the final Z bus. That answer you can check it by inspection method. Okay, this is nothing but building algorithm. Now we'll go for derivation of building algorithm, that is addition of branch. There you will be getting diagonal and off diagonal values derivation separately, and next will be addition of link, diagonal off diagonal value, and in link first you have to add, and afterwards removal of link also little bit derivation is there. 12 marks question they are going to ask on this. Okay, building algorithm derivation. In next video I am going to discuss that. Okay, thank you.